In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to delete ChatGPT account in Windows. Now I've just opened up an article written by OpenAI which say that there are two methods of deleting ChatGPT. The first way is through the website of ChatGPT and the second way is through the email support. For this video, we're gonna delete our accounts using email support. So you can see there are 3 steps. You just send an email to this email address and add in the subject and the body. So let's quickly open up our emails. Now once you open up your email, you just add in the email address, which is deletion@openai.com, and the subject is account deletion request, and the body is please delete my account. Once you add in all these 3 lines, you just click on send. Now once you send the email to OpenAI, your account will be deleted within 2 weeks. Because there are a lot of requests, it will take maximum about 2 weeks to your account to be successfully deleted. So that was the process on how to delete your account of ChatGPT. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.